god. I love it, man. I love it. Alright gents, we're back again. Today we're taking out a newer version of the MT09 to test out the differences from the old one we did a few weeks ago. This one's got a crazy loud exhaust on it. Let's listen to what it sounds like. Belongs to Mark MT09. Check him out on Instagram. This thing is a beast. Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh my god. Bloody hell, that is crazy. I'm going to take it nice and easy up this road, get used to it, and then see if it's any different from the last one. Just got it in standard mode for now. This one's got a quick shifter. Oh my god, can't hear myself think. This is crazy loud. I thought the last one was loud, but this is on another level. Oh my god, 2017 MT09. This is a beast. I'll tell you what, already it feels different to the last one, man. It just feels a bit more, yeah, it's definitely more stable, man. When I did that on the last one, it was really twitchy. Still got the crazy torque on it. God. Like quick shifter, man. Epic. I'll tell you what, you can definitely hear when you use the quick shift in this. Completely different to the last one. It feels more planted. Oh man, that sound is crazy. Oh my god, the torque is there, man. Got the torque. You know what? Everything feels different. The throttle feels smoother. It feels less twitchy. It feels more planted than the last one. See, look at that, rolling on the throttle. Definitely smoother than the last one. I like this, man. Don't know this road this well, so take it easy. Bloody loud though. Oh my god, these pops are crazy. That is so much different to the last one. This feels so planted, so stable. mean, I'm not giving it the full beans, but compared to the last MT09, even rolling on the throttle feels better. It gives you that confidence, man. The last one just scared the heck out of me. Yeah, this one is even in a high gear, you can't really quieten it down. It's still it's still super loud, but look at those pops, man. Oh my god, I love it, man. I love it. My god, that torque. Crazy. Absolutely mental. You can't beat the pops of the MT09, man. Yeah, this is just a whole other level than the last one. It just feels so much more planted and less twitchy. It feels a lot more like the Street Triple, but it's got that crazy torque with the MT09. Very nice, man. This is yeah. I kind of, after the last MT09, I was slightly disappointed, but this has kind of reinstalled my faith in the bike. That torque is brutal. This is a beauty. This is a very nice bike to ride, man. It's completely different. It's much more planted. The suspension's much better. It doesn't have that roll and that twitchiness that the last one has, which just felt completely unstable. This is only in standard mode as well. There you go, guys, 2017 Yamaha MT09. What an absolute beast. That sounds crazy. Listen to it one more time properly. Oh. Monster. I want it. I want it.